In this industry, in this medical field, Black women are 4 times likely to die in childbirth. We are treated totally different than our counterparts. I've watched it. I was a part of it. I was a medical assistant before I went to the training, which I worked with an OBGYN for 8 years. And I was a part of that system that took away women power because I was trained to do it. I'm sorry, I'm about to cry. I was a part of that system that took power away from moms, and not realizing that I wanted to be in a birth space, but didn't know how to be in a birth space. I just wanted to be there. So when I got here, I realized that what I was doing was being a part of the system that was hurting moms, and I didn't realize it. So when I got into the training program, not only did it enlighten me on the disparity that we're facing, it changed my life on a personal level as well, not just as a doula or a healthy birth ambassador.
My name is Nicole Deggins, and I am the founder and CEO of Sista Midwife Productions. Sista Midwife Productions is a birth justice organization based in New Orleans, Louisiana. Our goal is to eliminate perinatal disparities and improve birth outcomes. The state of Louisiana has some of the worst outcomes in the country, and so Sista Midwife Productions had been training doulas for years, but we wanted to make a bigger impact, particularly in the state of Louisiana. And so with some support from the Blue Cross of Louisiana Foundation, we had an opportunity to begin creating our Healthy Birth Louisiana initiative.
We recognized that in these OB deserts, they needed more than just a doula. You needed someone with extensive background in lactation, in understanding birth, postpartum, labor and delivery, community health working skills, motivational interviewing, being able to connect resources, and teaching parents about birthing options.
So in 2020, we launched our training. We had an opportunity to train 13 beautiful women in northern Louisiana. They went through an intensive training over the course of about 4 months where they learned how to build communities as well as support families. And since that time, they have gone on to immediately begin supporting families. And at this point, they've supported hundreds of families in rural parts of Louisiana.
My 15-year-old was born in 2007. I was 20, very young. I didn't feel like I had a voice, so I just did everything that my doctor said to do. I ended up having to get induced because she said that she wouldn't be available on the date that I was actually due, so I had to schedule my birth. I ended up having to get an epidural, and then they did some kind of insert to start the birthing process, which was horrible. I just knew I didn't want to do that again or go through that again.
Birth will change a person, period. You will be changed when you birth. The question then becomes, will you be changed to grow into love, into happiness, or will you be changed by trauma and distress, pain and dismay? When a woman has a traumatic birth, she is less likely to breastfeed. She is less likely to bond with her baby. She is less likely to be able to be in her wholeness and in her fullness in society and across the board.
I set up a consultation with Zana when I found out I was pregnant with my second child. I felt like I was Superwoman and I was ready to go in when it was time to give birth. You get the support, you get the love, you get the understanding, you have a voice, you have an advocate, someone who's going to step by your side, make sure that your birth plan is seen throughout the whole process. It's okay if it doesn't go exactly as planned, but she's gonna get you as close to your birthing plan that she possibly could.
Healthy Birth Louisiana is not something that we want to see just in one part of the state. We know that we are 49th in so many things and even 50th when it comes to maternal and infant health outcomes. We want to do better. We are tired of being at the bottom, and we know our Healthy Birth Louisiana initiative can change those outcomes. Our goal is to train a healthy birth ambassador for every single parish across the state of Louisiana.